Hi, here is the solution for the question 2 of homework 4 from Hw4. And here we look at and analyze this question 2. And here it told us that the random variable x is uniform distributed from -1 to 1, and it also told us the distribution function about y, and here it want to contrast to it is contrast to the question 1. It want us to take use of the function about x and y. It want us to from those information to find the relation function about between y and x. So here, firstly, we can easily get the distributed function about x. It is very easy because it is a uniform distribution, and what's more, next step we need to analyze from the only information about y we can get from this question. It is the distribution function about y, and so it is easily that when y is smaller than 0, this function the PDF about y is equal to 0. So when, because here is a step function, and when y is greater than 0, we can make a integral about all this function, and finally we get the result is 1 minus e times -1. So here we can get the PDF function about y. It is easy. So next step is that we want to find the relationship between y and x to make their PDF equal. And first, based on their function, we want to find a relationship mapping y and x such that the PDF about y and x, they have the equal value. So it is easy that we can find that when the function about x and y they both equal to 0, it is easy that find the value, find the range about x and y. Here is the range: x is greater than -1 and y is smaller than 0. And for another equation is that between this, when x is between -1 and 1, and y is greater than 0, we can easily also make those two functions have the equal value. It is that, and here is a relation function about x and y, and we can get that y equal to log in 1 minus x over 2. And the next step is that we need to check whether this function can cover all the value range between x and y. And here we can easily, from this function we can get the value range about x is smaller than 1. So, and when x equal to 1, this function go to the positive infinity. So, and here it is also satisfied the y's value range, because y, we only need to satisfy that y, satisfying that y is greater than 0. So So that from here, and we also know that x is between -1 and 1. It is also when x is equal to -1, it's easy that this function equal to 0. So y, it is also satisfied that y is greater or equal to 0. So after checking, we can know that this function is exactly what we find, what we want. So here we get the final result that the function between x and y. So here is the final result.